I have a prepaid bonus, $70. So let's see. I'm just gonna play low bet. So I just put $1. He needs to put a money. So here we go. $1. Hopefully we can get free games, or if we can open this tree. There's a lot of people in here at Catchy Creek. See, lots of people. Yeah, it's over there. Lots of people today. Yeah. Okay, hopefully we can have a good bonus. Come on. All I need is there we go. Open. I didn't open. It didn't open. Oh, alright. $6. Oh, we need 3 of these. 3. Come on. Oh, almost. Almost. Come on, bonus. Oh, 9. Not 9. 10 all the way. Okay. Let's play another. I'm gonna close to $40. Open. No, it didn't open. 9 all the way. There you go. $8. Fish. Oh well, we're just gonna stay in here. Might as well. Like I said, I have $70. I'm already playing $33. Yeah. Hopefully we can have a bonus. Come on, bonus. Just one time bonus. One time bonus. Oh, fish all the way. Come on, bonus. Oh my goodness. Come on. 10 all the way. There you go. $4. Come on. I know I need to go somewhere, but I am so stubborn. Maybe it will give me something. All I need is just one bonus. Come on. Open. No, it didn't open. Come on. Open up. There you go. Open. Oh, it didn't open. It didn't open. $13 spin more. Open. 12 more. 11. 10. 9. Come on, bonus. 8. 7. Come on, any bonus. Oh my god. My prepay just finished in here. Oh my goodness. My prepay is $70, so I still have $4 left. Come on, any bonus? Open. Last that's it, guys. Oh well. From 70, I have $30. Yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching.